Hi, it's Andy Poole, Legal Sector Partner at Armstrong Watson, reporting for law firm Ambition and what we've been seeing in Q1 of 2023 in the legal sector. And we're talking about three things today. First of all, the 130% super deduction. Secondly, the basis period reforms. And thirdly, inquiries we've been receiving from law firms about changing their profit sharing mechanisms more to base on performance. So starting with the super deduction first. We're now on the 17th of March as I record this, so leading up to the end of this on the 31st of March, a couple of days after the budget, we're getting quite a few inquiries, and we still have been, saying, do we need to be acquiring our fixtures and fittings and other fixed assets before the 31st of March in order to not lose out on the super deduction? Well, the answer is, and always has been, to be honest, if you have any investment in fixtures and fittings and fixed assets generally that qualify for the super deduction, it was only intended to give you the same benefit you would have had given the increase in the corporation tax rates to 25% from the 1st of April 23 anyway. So there's no real change. Plus, there has also been the announcement of the extension of a 100% deduction for investments that qualify from the 1st of April anyway. Not that most law firms would be spending more than £1 million on the fixtures and fittings and fixed assets that they would be investing in anyway, because we're already covered by the annual investment allowance to that amount. The second point on the basis period, again, we're getting quite a few inquiries actually from law firms that are not clients of ours, saying we've not heard from our accountants, we don't really know what the impact of the basis period reforms will be. Now, this is where law firms that haven't got a 31st of March year end, that are partnerships and LLPs, are going to be treated for tax as if they have got a 31st of March year end. And there's quite a few impacts in terms of particularly the timing of when tax is paid. So if you've not had any updates from your accountants, if you don't know how you're going to be changed, those reforms are upon us right now. Get in touch with your accountants, ask those questions, or if you want to reach out to us at Armstrong Watson, I'm sure we'll be able to help you as well. Finally, inquiries from law firms coming in far more regularly now on how they distribute and how they allocate their profit between their partners. And they're looking to move more towards a performance base rather than an equal profit share or a lockstep, and particularly to be able to incentivise, but also to be able to obtain and attract really good people and retain those good people once they're with you. So there are various ways of doing that. There's no right and wrong answer with it, but there are a few tried and tested ways. There's a few pitfalls that you should be aware of. So again, we're helping firms from a consultancy basis with that. So if you'd like to hear more about it, then again, please do get in touch. Thank you.